guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber. If you are new here, I'd like to say welcome. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Creme of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. And I received this product in my curl box and I was very interested to see how this would work on my hair. This product is made with pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. It has no sulfates, no mineral oil, and no silicones. The claims of this product is to define and elongate curls and coils. It creates bouncy, soft curls, and it moisturizes and adds shine. So the directions say to section damp hair, apply the Pure Honey Curl Activator from root to tip, section by section, finger style to define curls, and then air dry. It says do not rinse out and reapply to dry hair to refresh curls as needed. Interesting. So I've already shampooed, deep conditioned my hair. I've already applied my leave-in. I used the Miche Lavish leave-in conditioner. And so now all there's left to do is apply this product. So I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair off and start in the back as I always do. And let's see how this product likes my hair. So as you can see, it's very rich and thick. The consistency of it is really thick and creamy. It feels very moisturizing. Kind of feels more like a lotion than a curl activator. But if you see the stickiness, it looks like it may have some type of hold, hopefully a good hold. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. And as I am applying it to my hair, it feels really good. Like, do you see the clumpage already? So far I can tell that it is blending well with my Miche leave-in conditioner. Feels very moisturizing. So this is the curl clumpage so far. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the rest of my hair, and I'll come back and let you guys see what it looks like when I'm done. am done applying the curl activator to my hair, and right off the bat I must say that this product is very moisturizing, and I do think that the claim holds true that they say it's for dry, dehydrated hair. But you know, the proof is always in the pudding, which is when my hair dries. So once my hair has completely dried, I will come back and let you guys see what my results are and what I think about this product. So just stay tuned. So it is the next day and my hair has completely dried, and I must say that I am really impressed with this Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. Although it says Shrinkage Defense, I don't know if I agree with that, because as you can see, my hair is still really, like, you know, shrunken. But I think that maybe if I just kind of like put it up in a pineapple, it will get longer, you know, as the days go by. But as of right now, like, I'm really not mad at how my hair looks. My hair feels really soft and moisturized. There is no crunch, although yesterday as it was drying, like, there were pieces that were kind of like hard, but that may be like where I applied a lot of the product to. But like right now my hair is not crunchy or anything. The only thing that I did when I woke up this morning and took it out of the bonnet is just kind of fluff it a little bit, and that was it. I don't have any flakes or anything, and I think it blended well with the Lavish Leave-In conditioner that I used. But I am definitely impressed with this curl activator, and I will definitely be using it again. So if you've tried this product already, let me know down below what you thought of it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.